Generator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And my water isn't even boiling yet. Man, I'm kind of jumping the gun a little bit. But the one we're going to do today is from KampongKu of Malaysia. This is their garlic black pepper fried noodles. Sounds really good to me. So that is what's happening today. And I think this is the perfect time to say hello. Hey, Mimi. How you doing?
Good.
Yeah, you got a new haircut yesterday, huh?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Oh, you got your nails did. Mama painted your nails, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one is red, glass, sparkly back,
Yeah.
pinky, and I also have a new color.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, are you excited?
It's Easter pink.
Easter pink, peeps pink, huh?
Yeah, I'm so
Yeah.
excited for my friends and teachers to look at my nails.
Oh, they'll love them. They're beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come here, you. All right. You go watch your stuff and do your thing, and we'll get you ready for school in a minute, okay? I love you. Ladies and gentlemen, the cutest little girl in the whole wide world, Mimi. So, let's see. Where's my scissors? Here they are. Yeah. She's been doing pretty good. She's been holding guinea pigs and doing a really good job of it. Miles held one the other day. He's just like kind of squeamish. He's like, it's moving, ah! You've got to tone it down a little bit. Guinea pigs are interesting creatures. They like to have a place to hide. They're basically at the bottom of the food chain. I mean, there's really not, I can't think of anything that a guinea pig is a threat to, I guess, other than vegetables. Vegetables cower when it comes to guinea pigs. But other than that, you know, they're little tasty treats for lots of animals. So I guess people eat them too. I don't know any people that do that. So they don't have to worry, and we're not going to eat them. So. But they're nice. They're really, really cuddly little things, and yeah, they just want to feel secure. They're like tribbles from Star Trek, really. If they're looking away from you, looking at their butt, they just look like a tribble. Especially these guys, because two of them are really fluffy. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. Mimi's all excited about school. I love how my kids like really love going to school. Miles likes going to school. Mimi likes going to school. She's in preschool still, and Miles is in first grade. Big news as far as school goes right now is that on my birthday, it will be technically, it's 12 a.m. on the 12th, but that's on a Saturday. So nobody's got school on Saturday here. But on my birthday, the Monday after, will be the first day where masks are optional at school and on the bus. And I have a feeling they're all coming off. So, yeah. I don't know how I feel about that. Everybody's all vaccinated here, but that didn't really keep us out of the woods on that. So, yeah. But I think once masks come off, everybody's gonna get the flu like that. I really think so. Honestly, I might just still wear mine. I don't want to smell anybody's stinky breath. And they shouldn't have to smell mine, that's for sure. But, yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm not really worried about it. The only thing I'm worried about is that maybe people that are going to go around, like, harassing people that are still wearing masks. I don't know if that'll exist. There were people that were wearing masks before all of the COVID too. People are always like, why are they doing that? It's like, well, when I was in Taiwan, a lot of people did that, I think, because of pollution. There were a lot of people I saw throughout Asia that wore masks. Not like, definitely not the majority, but there were quite a few people that did. Maybe they had respiratory conditions. Maybe they've got like an autoimmune thing. There's a lot of reasons people wear masks. I mean, people generally like surgeons, you know. If you got to get surgery, I think it's a good thing that the surgeon wears a mask. So, and if you're they're painting and operating certain equipment, it's a good idea. So they do serve a purpose, and it shouldn't be considered a horrible thing. But I think for a long time that they're just going to be considered, oh, well, that was during that horrible time we had to go through. Yeah. But it was nice. I never got the flu. I don't think I ever, well, I got a cold. I think we all got the colds when the kids went back to school, but it wasn't too bad. Honestly, when we got COVID, that really didn't seem that bad. It's just apparently how my system tried to deal with it and how my wife's system tried to deal with it. Hopefully, I don't know what we're going to find out for her. I'm really hoping. She's getting blood work and x-rays. So we'll see what happens for her. Send your good vibes to Kit, the wonder. She is a wonderful lady. She is and will continue to be forever. Let's see. What's going on? I'm stirring noodles. And I'm going to go out and walk and talk with my brother today. I don't know where I'm going. Maybe I'll just do the same walk as yesterday. That was a lot of steps. I did like an 8.5 mile walk yesterday. Maybe I'll do a little more than that today. I'm trying to finish a week with like 120 or 140,000 steps. But that would be an average of 20,000 a day. And that's still out of my league at this point. Let's give this a try. Oh, that's good. I like the black pepper on this because it's just not so oomph. It's oomph enough, but it's not like so much that that's all you get. There's a lot of different things going on here. All right. And it is indeed very chunky. A lot going on here. Okay. Now this is a bowl I haven't used in a while. I don't know, you can call it a bowl, you can call it a plate. It's a very deep plate or a very shallow bowl. There. All right. I think it just goes like that, yeah. Black pepper, a seafood. Perfecto egg. And I gotta say, it's been hard for me to resist just chowing down on these huge shrimp. There be some tasty ones right there. Oh, come on now. I am gonna hit this up with a little bit of mint again. I think mint will give it a nice little thing to it. I really need to have it stop being winter and turn to spring so we can have some mint growing in the garden. That would be nice. Let's see. Because they just shove this stuff in these little boxes and I don't like that. Like right there. What else we got? Let's do some light seeds. Ooh, it's about time to get my daughter ready to go to school. Well, the cabbage never made it in. Kind of sad about that. I wanted to add cabbage, but it's just like it does really change the flavor quite a bit, I've found, and I don't want to do that before I've given it a sampling. Some coriander there. Oh, the guinea pigs will like the leftover coriander. That they will. Oh, vegetable eaters. Man, I wish I had some red pepper to offshoot this. Or offset. I think we're good. I really don't see a place for that. There we go. Well, that's it for me for today. I think I'll do the other three tomorrow. I've got a white curry, a sakura prawn noodle, and isn't that right? Sakura prawn, and then the mamak mee goreng from KampongKu. So, until then, keep it smooth. Sooner. Bye-bye.
Do you have a long-term health problem?
No.
Do you have any allergies?
No.
Have you received any vaccinations in the last 4 weeks?
No.
Do you have a neurologic disorder?
No.
Do you have an immune system condition?
No.
Do you take steroids?
No.
During the past year, have you received a blood transfusion or antibodies?
No.
Sign here, please.